Hello guys, welcome back on our technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to access data from any computer without logging and password. This is a good strategy and sometimes occurs when the Windows system has been crashed in any operating system or laptops and data was so important. So how do you access it? Of course, for your education purpose, you can use it. How do you do that? Right now, CSB, this system is just saying that automatically repair and it's restarting again and again. So don't worry, this problem also can be fixed if your operating system is restarting again and again. See, after restarting also especially, it's once again stuck on especially automatic repair. So how could I fix it? If I go in advanced, guys, also we cannot unable to access, sorry, we are not able to access it. If I go for troubleshoot to fix everything, however it's going to see keep all the files and settings, so it's asking to remove etc etc. This is not an appropriate option here. If I go for continue, see right now once again it's going to start. So what's the remedy for everything, guys? Yes, we will go. This tool. This is a pass-fail fixed window tool. So just we will open this tool here, and I will click on a yes, and thereupon it's open here. See, we can fix all kind of issues. So here just we will create here, and now we will go for continue. So before continue here, we need to select operating system. Operating system is a Windows 10 inside this laptop. So yes, we will go with this 64-bit Windows 10. So let me select. So Windows 10 now. I'll go for continue. It's asking that all the data will be erased, or of course the clear from the USB pen drive, and then some of the data will be installed inside this USB pen drive. So guys, of course it will take scarcely 5 to 10 minutes by using this tool, but right now I have already installed some data by using this one that was required to fix this issues. So just let me cancel here, and of course I will directly see take this USB pen drive. This belongs to the SP. So simply I am unable to operate this laptop, but of course we will show you the manually you will access all the data inside this laptop, along with you would like to fix this problem also. Of course in this can various kind of features that you can be beneficiary by one pen drive, guys. So how do I simply just press the turn off computer? So as we know that we can turn off computer by pressing on a key, keep holding. Now, of course, once again, we will choose a boot menu of this laptop. Especially this laptop belongs to the Lenovo, so a specific key is given to choose a boot menu. Now, of course, everyone can access a boot menu key, especially. So far, we can. Here we have to select EF5 USB pen drive, and of course, we will hit the enter button of your laptop or PC, whatever device on that. Now see, something is just started to load file. So did I just do I install this operating system? No, not at all. Just I would like to show you guys here how do you access all the data inside of these laptops. Don't worry, whenever your device has been damaged or computer has been, operating system has been totally crashed, and now it's very urgently to have some data, as well as save some data. Yeah, you would like to copy some data, you would like to export some data, everything can be possible. Just as far you can see that bypassing strategy of any operating system. Watch it carefully, guys. Now see here, it's restarting. Fine, we will wait here. Now see guys, this configuration has started of this system. Fine. Now this is your new operating system within a 5 minutes. Of course, now I have created new operating system. So can I access the whatever data is inside of this? Yes, it is. Now as we see all the data we can access, whatever data is inside. And this is it's asking that if you would like to repair, see this tool is asking if you would like to recover any password, as well as you would like to reset the password, if you would like to data recovery, if you would like to go from a lot of the feature guys. But right now I would like to access data from these laptops without logging. Yes, it is possible. How do you see right now? This is the total across the hard disk. So some of the tool and data I would like to. So just we will click here now. Right now this one data is a very important for me. So just I will copy in USB pen drive. Is it possible? Now see guys, USB pen drive. What do you say guys? Without logging, without anything, so guys, without resetting the password, without installing any operating system, quickly I have started to access the data, and all the data can be of course accessible. Easy way and the more reliable, of course. And don't worry, either your window has been damaged, yeah, just crashed, then anything this can be also fixed by using this tool. But not at all more importance that you need one pen drives, that's all, nothing much more. Because trial version this tools download link I will give you below the description box. If you're interested, then directly you can access. Now see often this tool. If you would like to repair system boot repair, more tool, yeah, anything you would like to have, just let's start this. Now here I would like to have some error fix, especially of this local tribe. So where is this one is a local? Yes, let me know. So see, after accessing anything, so just I would like to write now fix this one. So this way I will go for with local, and just I will go for repair it. Yes, restart repair.